CE mark. Have you ever seen this marking on electrical appliances? Have you seen it on anything else you've bought? They are everywhere. From musical instruments, medical devices, to any electrical appliance. For a simple example, look at your mobile phone. Take a look on the back. You may need to remove your battery or cover. You should see a ton of little symbols. CE should be amongst them. So, what is the CE mark? It doesn't mean made in China. Sometimes it's mistakenly thought of as standing for Chinese export. That's not true either. It has nothing to do with Chinese manufacturing or any manufacturing from any particular country for that matter. In the simplest explanation, the CE mark certifies that a product complies to its relevant standards. And what standards are these, you may ask? Well, there is basically a standard that applies to each and every industry in manufacturing. The internationally recognized standard should start with the letters ISO or ISO, standing for International Organization for Standardization. The most common ISO is 9001. That is a standard that sets out what should be in the quality management system within the company. The quality management system, or QMS for short, is just a set of procedures that tells you what to do and how to make the product, including certain important parts of running a business like the management review, which is a meeting with upper management, human resources within the business, and much more. CE has nothing to do with any individual company. The term CE stands for Conformity Européenne, which is French for European conformity. By adding the CE to a product, the company is confirming that they have met all the necessary requirements and conform to the European safety and environmental legislation. Sometimes, in order to legally put and maintain a CE mark on their products, companies have to apply for approval from another organization called a notified body. The notified body will assess the documentation, the QMS, and the production processes to ensure the company has the right to put the CE mark on their product, and it conforms to the standard. If the product has a CE mark, then this product can freely circulate and can be marketed to countries in the EU. Formerly, the UK was included, but after Brexit, there is an additional marking called the UKCA that is required, although the regulations that govern this are fairly similar. I hope I have provided you with a deeper understanding of what the CE mark is, and I will now finish with the common misconceptions about the CE mark. The CE mark has nothing to do with where a product is made. It doesn't actually guarantee quality. What it guarantees is safety. It has nothing to do with approval from a country's authority. It is put on as a responsibility of the manufacturer, and notified bodies can only confirm that they comply. Lastly, not all products require the CE mark. The most common examples are machinery, electrical equipment, medical devices, toys, and personal protective equipment. These are products that can be of great risk if not made to a high standard. So, the CE mark is a mark of compliance to the safety standards. Now that you know what the CE mark is, you'll start to notice it everywhere. Don't let it drive you crazy. If you want more information on a variety of different topics from health to manufacturing, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you for watching, and live an informed life.